Waqf Amendment Act, which was earlier a bill, and after the President of India has signed that bill, now it has become an act. Waqf Amendment Act, though there is a protest everywhere around the corner, but then the protest in West Bengal has really turned volatile. Earlier also we have seen, due to the Waqf Amendment protest, there had been a volatile situation at Jangipur. Now the same scenario had started yesterday as well, when there was a Waqf Amendment protest, and the protest, how it turned out to be violent, that you can see through this North State bus, where you can see a government bus which has been torched completely. As I take you to inside of this bus, you can see how the scenario of the bus is. You can see there is the chair, there is the bus structure, you can see the structure of a bus is there, but where is the seat where the people can sit and can travel from places to places, because it has completely been torched. This is the government property which has completely been torched and then set ablaze. Not only this, but there also had been a protest where the several government properties, central government properties has been torched. There is an incident in Dhulia where the relay station's relay room has been torched and set ablaze, and vandalized has taken place. It's not only that, then police, in order to control the situation, there had been a lathi charge. There had been a situation where there was a stone pelting as well. Situation yesterday had gone out of control, and due to this, DM had requested for the BSF deployment, and since morning the BSF has been deployed and the police is also deployed in the area. But the situation arises is that why such volatile situation arises. A protest can be a protest. There is a democratic right of the people. They can protest, but how the protest can turn out to be very violent. This is a very time for the state government to act accordingly, so that this kind of protest, which could be a silent protest, peaceful protest, doesn't turn out to be volatile, which result into demolition of the public property, be it central government or the state government, which has been torched, and then the many shops has been gutted on fire, vehicle has been torched.